This is a 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a convenience package, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a heavy-duty suspension, a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: XM satellite radio, chrome wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, automatic locking wheel hubs, a security system, OnStar, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 26,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Thornhill Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at US 119 Corridor G in Chapmanville.